Mr. Abhishek, so can you tell me like how are people taking simulation as a solution in India? Because because slowly and steadily everybody is asking for scientific data. So how are you seeing the market? How are you seeing regions responding? Because India cannot be considered as a single country. It is like European Union. So every region behaves separately. Every person behaves separately. Every company behaves separately. So how are you seeing the trend of implementation of simulation in India?
Sure, sure. So, yes, in industry, simulation is playing a key role for validation of design and for risk assessment at design stage itself. So, it is always better to validate your product design and tool design before freezing it for manufacturing. And that is why, simulation is helping in taking right decision at right time, especially in conformal cooling. As you know, that inserts are once printed cannot be modified. So,
Exactly.
before printing of inserts, it's always better to validate the design, best cooling option for those kind of inserts, and that is how simulation is helpful in eliminating trial and error for saving time and cost. And these are the two key factors in industry everyone is running behind to save time and cost.
Exactly. Exactly. So what do you see Moldex 3D's biggest strength currently
That's a very
in
good
solving?
question.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's a very good question. Basically, there are many advantages of Molex 3D, but the most important thing I say is accuracy. With the help of advanced meshing technology and inbuilt material and machine libraries, and based on our 30 years domain experience, I have witnessed Moldex 3D can achieve 90 to 95% accuracy of results. If
That's
It's very
I can vouch for it. I can vouch
yes,
for it,
yes.
Abhishek,
Yes,
because
you're already using it, right? So
yes.
apart from this, it's very user friendly in meshing and solving the run very faster, and even the report generation is very user friendly. That it supports. Last but not the least, the support from Holy City region team, from local India region team and from Taiwan team is also very effective. So we do complete hand holding for customers.
So Abhishek, can you tell me like which are the industries in India currently trying to implement simulation, and who are the trendsetters currently in implementing the simulation technologies and the conformal cooling technologies?
Yes,
Can you?
widely I could say that injection molding industry is the biggest beneficiary, and molding series simulation and our application is widely used by automotive sector, electronic sector, also home appliances and medical and FMCG sectors.
So,
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 however,
so are you seeing any kind of a trend like these sectors are like trying to implement with a strategy or something like really focused on some
see,
product improvement?
See, flow simulation is very good tool for validation of design, and it is always beneficial when you start implementing at product design stage. The trend should be to validate your design and risk assessment at the early stage, so that you have enough time to overcome the potential risk factor. Unfortunately, I must admit that still we observe that customer approaches when they have already make mistake in design, or the mold is already at production stage and they are facing issues. So we must understand as an industry that using the correct tool at correct time is the key. And now I see the trend that companies in India are moving in this direction, which is a good sign. That is,
Exactly.
in this lockdown period, even Moldex 3D is giving free trial license to our interested customers, and we're trying to set the trend.
No, that is something like everybody should be working together. So with like customer supply kind of relationship, everybody is open for a partnership kind of a way, because
True.
everybody has to hold hands with each other and walk together.